Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Lunar Classic update today. And yesterday we did break above, this ascending triangle, but today we're just coming down and we're getting into the triangle one more time. And this is really stressful, to be honest with you, that you're just waiting so much for things to break out, and when they do finally, it's just that the retest is not holding up. So if you are looking to come down again, then maybe you're just gonna do something like this and then eventually pop and continue to the upside. But we still have some chances where this can actually start to move up from here one more time. I just want to check the EMAs, if the EMAs are holding up, but you can see that at least we're above the EMAs. Okay, we're getting this little bit of a bull cross right there. But if you start to go down and go all the way down to 55 and touch 10,782, still nothing is wrong with that, but it's just that you're not out of the ascending triangle just yet. That's going to be the main problem. So hopefully we get to see Lunar Classic start to bounce off here a little bit, or maybe just touch the 20 and then go back up one more time and eventually move up to this technical target right over here. So that's all for the video right now. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.